All right, so the shop is empty. We're cleaning out and we're sweeping up and we're heading down to that new state-of-the-art shop that's only a couple miles down the road. So we've exceeded this building now for a while with the Lux program and all these EV cars. So they decided to move us down to that new state-of-the-art shop that you guys have seen in some of the older videos. So in this video, we are gonna be cleaning out this shop, getting all these cars out of here and down to that new facility that's only a couple miles down the road. So we've got to get all these cars, tools, and equipment down to the new shop. That way we can do the EV program down there. You guys see I left this place nice and clean for the next painter. I like to do that. That way he feels comfortable coming into this shop. And I leave it the way that I would feel comfortable coming in here. So we've got it all cleaned up the best that we can. Yes, this is a used shop, but we've cleaned it up and we keep it as best we can. That way this facility stays nice, because this one here is also a beautiful shop. So we're gonna get all these cars out of here in this video. We've got a lot of tow trucks coming. All the body men from this shop are gonna be heading down to that new state-of-the-art shop. And I'm really looking forward to this move, because there's gonna be big things to come, because we got a nice big shop to be able to do more work. All right, so the day that we got the word that we were gonna be switching over the shops, we knew it wasn't gonna be an easy task, because we have a lot of equipment at our shop that was gonna have to be transferred over to that shop, because we are a certified repair facility and we do a lot of the EV vehicles. So that equipment has to come with us over to the other shop, as well as the vehicles. So bringing vehicles and bringing equipment over is not an easy task. And the biggest thing that we wanted to make sure that we did was not damage any of the equipment or the vehicles. So we took really good precautions to cover everything up and get things over there as fast as possible. But one thing I really have to say is, during the whole process, it was crazy how we came together as one big shop. Even though we are two shops, the whole Crash Champions team came together. We got our own personal vehicles, trailers, and we moved things back and forth all day. And we just really got it knocked out. It almost blew me away on how fast we were actually getting both of the shops switched out and not having any real hiccups in it. But like I told you guys, the biggest thing we wanted to do is make sure that we protected all the parts. We left them on the parts carts, wrapped them up with the plastic. That way everything was secured to the unit, and then we could just lock them down on the tow trucks or on the trailers that we were using. But it is sad to see the shop all cleaned out, because we had such a great time at this shop, but we definitely outgrew it. And in the best concerns for everybody, we decided to swap the shops. With that crew over there being a little smaller and us being bigger and doing more work, it only made sense, and everybody was on board with doing it, because these are both top of the line shops. No one's really losing here. We're just making the company better and making it better for everybody. So you guys will see here all the tow trucks that we had, moving cars back and forth all day. And then we will get down to the new shop and I'll show you that. But I tell you what, I was beat by the end of the day moving all this stuff. I barely got anything done that day at all as far as painting, but we got the switch done and everyone's happy, and we are going to be moving forward now with the Crash Champions team. So you see, we've got a lot going on at the shop with the cars moving. We've got my car full of all miscellaneous things, and most of my equipment is already down at that shop that I need. So those guys are coming here and we're moving down there. So let's head on down to that shop and see what's going on. Yo, what's up, man?
You know, man, we're going to the new home. And
you guys going to the new home?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're doing it, bro. We're working together like always, bro. That's how we try to do it, bro.
That's how we do.
You know how it is.
All right, guys, it has been a long day getting this shop situated, moving all the stands, moving all the cars, but we've got this area set up now. This here is gonna be my area now. I'm gonna have 2 booths, 2 drive-throughs. These are extra long booths. One of them is a truck booth. They're all set up. We've got the pig mat on the ground. We've got our stands. We've got our stuff from Luma. We will get these hoses changed out to the Luma once we get rolling, but we've got to get moving and get situated in this shop now. Then we have the mixing room over here. And I won't be the only painter at this shop. So this here's my setup. I've got my own computer, my guns on this side, booth here, and this booth here will be mine. This is another long booth. We've got our crash set up, and this one's got a big pit in it. So this one here will really flow some nice air. So this is the one that I'm gonna probably be using mostly. Obviously, I'm gonna be using both of them, but this will be my main booth. And I think I can get a lot through this booth because it is extra long. So it's gonna be a different setup now that I don't have that double wide, but they do have a double wide booth here. The other painter is gonna have that booth over there. So this is a bigger shop. They're gonna have multiple painters at this shop. It's gonna be me and another guy. He's gonna be running the double wide, and he's gonna be prepping out here on this side of the shop. So we moved all the cars today from the other shop over to this shop. All the Teslas are ready to go, and they're ready to go over there at our old shop. So I'm looking forward to the new venture here at this new beautiful state-of-the-art shop. It's not gonna be easy, but you guys know that I've never looked for anything easy. I wanna do the most I can and get the best I can. So got Pat coming here to make sure that the computers are all set up. We've got our crash sign on the wall. All our stands are ready to go. And we've got our area here where I'll be setting up shop. I don't have my sign up yet because we have to get the electrician in to run an outlet here so we can get our Kandyman sign up and do a little bit more electrical work here at this shop. That way we're set up with our light. That way we can heat up our primer when we're not using the UV primer. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like this one. It was definitely a tiresome day here at the shop, moving everything, sweeping up, cleaning, and just doing all kinds of changes here at the shop. So stay tuned to the next one, and we'll see you guys next time.